64 count. High improver, don't let that intimidate you. I'm going to break it down for you. 64 counts, four walls? 4 walls, yes, 4 walls. A couple of tricks are, you stay on the same wall for all 62 counts. You don't turn to your new wall until the last 2 counts. So there's not a lot of wall changes in the first 64 counts, 62 counts, yay. My second trick, memory trick, is most of the steps go behind, like right, left behind, right, left behind. The other way, left, right behind, left, right behind. Only once during the dance does your foot cross in front. Only once. So when in doubt, cross behind. And you make patterns on the floor, so that really helps my memory. So the first pattern I'm going to make, I'm going to go to the right. There's one pattern, floor. Then to the left on the floor. Then I'm going to go straight forward on the floor, straight forward. Then we are going to angle back to the left, and that's the only time your foot crosses in front in this dance. So we're going to angle back this way for 8 counts. Then we square up again, go to the right, go back to the right, stay here, finish going left diagonal, and turn on 61, 62, 63, 64 on those counts. So I hope that helps. I hope that helps. Remember which direction you're supposed to be going, that most of the counts stay on the same wall until the last 2 counts, and that most of the steps go, cross behind. So let's try it. So first, and this is a quick review because I've already demoed it with Carrie on my channel and taught it. So this is hopefully a review for you. So we're going to start with our right foot. We're going to make that first line to the right. So we do step behind, right, step left behind, triple step to the right, and then a kickball change with the left. We do the same thing going the other way, but with the left foot. Left, right behind, triple step, kickball change. Right foot's free. We did that line and that. Now we're going to go forward straight. We're going to walk 1, 2, 3, 4, and a triple step with the right. Rock, recover with the left. Our left foot's free. Rock, recover on the right. So now we make the diagonal line going back left. And this is the only time we cross in front. So we do left, cross, right in front, left, cross, right in front. Then we do a triple step and a rock, recover. On the triple step, we face off again to the front wall. So we went that way, then we go that way, then we go forward, then we go diagonal, and the only time we cross in front on the diagonal back, triple step, rock, recover. Now we go to the right again. Guess what? We cross behind. Step, cross behind left, triple step with the right, rock, recover with the left, then a triple step back. Yes. Then we're going to stay here for a little while, a few counts, and we're going to stomp forward with our right. Then we're going to do a quarter turn with our left and stomp, but we're going to pick it right back up the left. Keep your weight on your right because you're going to do a sailor step with your left, sailor step. Then we're going to do a quarter sailor step to the front wall with the right foot, sailor step. Then we do a heel dig with the left, heel, dig, and a coaster step. Right heel, dig, and a coaster step. Last counts, we make the diagonal to the left. Guess what? We cross behind again. step behind, step behind, step behind, turn to the new wall. Now there's some variations on that turn, but we're just going to keep it simple today. All right, here we go. Let's review the steps again. We start going right with a behind. Right, left behind, right, left behind, right, triple step, left, kick, ball, change, left, left, right behind, triple step left, and a kick, ball, change. Go forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, triple step and a rock, recover diagonal, left, cross in front, left, cross in front, triple step, rock, recover, step behind, triple step, rock, recover, and a triple step, stomp right, stomp left, pick it up, sailor step, right, sailor step, left heel dig, and a coaster step, right heel dig, and a coaster step, to the left diagonal, behind, behind, and step, turn, start again. It's a lot. There is some symmetry, yay, and it's a really fun song. So here are the counts. So we're going to go to the right. We're going to make that line first. And guess what? We're going to go behind. So counts. First 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Second 8. Same thing to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Third 8 going forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, trip, 6, 7, and 8. 1, fourth 8, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. That's the first half. We did 4 8s, so that's 32. That's half the dance. We went right for 8, left for 8, forward for 8, and then back diagonally for 8. Now we stay here for a minute. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, pick it up, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, new wall. Okay, a little bit faster, because the dance is pretty fast. Speed it up a little bit with counts from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn it. That's